Ever since I was young, I always wanted to create. I didn't want a normal job. I wanted to go out, shoot video, and build my craft. So I went out and I tried freelancing. If you've ever freelanced, you probably know that it's super hard, and we all have this dream of where we want to make it, but it doesn't seem to always work out. Creating and freelancing gives you this freedom to do amazing things. But to really get there, you need to be determined and smart enough to reach it. It can almost seem like a lot of things just aren't going to work out. You just have to keep pushing through, and there's wave after wave. And the biggest things I've learned while trying to traverse these obstacles is that you really can't do it alone. What I've learned about creating is that it really is all about collaboration, especially in the video realm. There's so many different hands in a project that you need to work with everybody you can. And especially if you're trying to be the best at your craft, you want to focus on your strengths, not trying to hide your weaknesses. Through my time freelancing and creating, I can look back and just know for a fact I would not be where I am today without friends, without teammates, without us pushing each other to get where we want to be constantly. It's not just grabbing a camera. You have to have a mindset of just, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna get through this, and I'm gonna push to where I wanna be.